Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make a map voting system in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So creating a map voting system in Roblox Studio involves scripting and designing user interfaces to allow players to vote for their preferred maps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up a basic map voting system. First, design the voting user interface. Open Roblox Studio and create a new screen GUI object. This will be the main container for the voting UI. Inside the screen GUI, add buttons or image buttons for each map option players can vote on. You can use text labels to display the map names or images to represent each map. Arrange the buttons is a visually appealing layout so players can easily select their preferred map. Add voting scripts. Create a new local script object in the starter GUI service or inside the screen GUI object where the voting UI is located. Inside the local script, write the script to handle the voting process. The script should listen for button clicks on the map options and count the votes for each map. Next, set up map options. Decide on the map options that players can vote for. This could be different game maps, levels, or locations. Assign unique identifiers or keys to each map option so that the voting script can distinguish between them. Implement map voting logic. In the voting script, use remote events or remote functions to send the player's votes to the server or a dedicated voting script. When a player clicks on a map option, trigger a remote event to notify the server of the vote. The server or the voting script should keep track of the votes for each map option. Next is to calculate the winning map. After all the players have voted, calculate the map with the most votes to determine the winning map. In the voting script or a separate server script, compare the vote counts for each map option and identify the map with the highest number of votes. Change the game map. Once the winning map is determined, use teleport service or other appropriate methods to change the game map up to the winning map. Make sure to handle the map change gracefully, ensuring players have a smooth transition to the new map. And the last one, I'm sorry, this is not the last one. This is the second to the last one. Display results. So this is an optional action. Optionally, you can display the voting results to the players. For example, you can use a UI message indicating the winning map. And lastly, test the debug. Test the map voting system thoroughly to ensure it functions as expected. Debug any issues or errors that may arise during testing. Remember that this is a basic outline of creating a map voting system in Roblox Studio. Depending on your game's complexity and specific requirements, you may need to customize the system further. Always ensure that your voting system is fair, secure, and aligned with your game's rules and objectives. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!